So basically cells are made up of cells, and cells make copies of themselves, right?
I think that it's essential to understand what it is that not only we are made of, but we are capable of doing.
For the first time ever, right, you are in the post-genomic era, right? And what does that mean? So we can look at the instructions of a cell at the nucleotide level. And all they do here is increase the surface area. I want students to understand how amazing cells are, how amazing life processes are, and how everything works together in this very compact environment. And you are now a collection of billions of cells, right? Very tightly coordinated and working well in the context of the whole organism.
I like how it's difficult. I was a little apprehensive to take biology. I've heard some horror stories about it. But you know, it's a subject when you study and you actually understand the material, you get really excited.
At the actual nucleus, you'll see an additional structure in the nucleus called the nucleolus, right? And the nucleolus is a specialized area of the genome. So the job of the nucleus is to protect the DNA. Some creatures have additional layers. I think an understanding of how life operates is essential to give us a little bit of an intuition about what we are.
What are the main differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells?
So there are some very important differences between the two types of cells, and we've talked a little bit about them already, right? So eukaryotic cells are typically much larger.
We're actually getting plots from people in the neighborhood and in the campus as well to have a community garden, kind of raise awareness about the importance of husbandry of the soil and growing food.
It is not quite as simple or scant of species as it appears here. Cells come from pre-existing cells. What do you see? You see a circular entity, right?
My favorite thing about the class is Dr. Larios' enthusiasm. It's contagious, it's tangible. Like, she's so fired up.
Of the nucleus, you see these bumps. These are the pores, right? A very, very sophisticated machine. This is a neuron, right? A picture of a neuron that its job is to emit signals.
Where is the DNA located in a prokaryotic cell if they don't have a nucleus?
So that's correct. Prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus, and the DNA is basically dispersed throughout the cytoplasm. But it's not free to disperse wherever it wants, right? So it's anchored by special proteins to the actual cell membrane.
Everything we do, all of our functions have to do with these little tiny cells and these membranes, and it's fascinating how it's involved in every facet of life and we don't even think about it. And that's, like I said, that's just so exciting. That really gets me excited about being a science major.